My name is Jackie, travel advisor with Prince Adventures. Welcome to our beautiful suite aboard the Seabourn Venture, Suite 808, Category V4 Veranda. This ship is purpose-built for expedition, and all suites have a balcony. Look how spacious this room is. You arrive, get your key card, binoculars, and welcome information to hand, and of course, the Seabourn touch with a welcome bottle of champagne. On board the Seabourn Venture, there are no plastic water bottles, and you get refillable water bottles to use. Prince Adventures is a luxury travel agency based in Canada, and we're here to serve all your Seabourn cruise needs and your expedition needs. Seabourn provides your parkas, backpacks, and other outdoor wear so you're ready for your adventure. We were on our way to explore the Antarctic peninsula. Both the Seabourn Venture and Seabourn Pursuit are newly built, purpose-built expedition ships. Here we are, embarking on a wonderful day from Ushuaia, Argentina, the southernmost city in the world. With a spacious balcony. As a luxury travel concierge, we are members of Virtuoso, which enables us to offer you complimentary benefits through the Virtuoso affiliation to ensure you get additional onboard credit, the opportunity for hosted sailings, and preferred pricing. The Seabourn Venture boasts walk-in closets in every suite, and the difference between categories V1, V2, V3, and V4 is that they're in different positions on the ship. They are all the identical layout to this, so whether you pick a V1 through a V4, you still get your beautiful walk-in closet. One of the features I love most about the Seabourn Venture is this warming closet for your outerwear. If you're on an expedition to the high polar regions or Antarctica, of course, it's important to be able to dry your gear so it's ready for every Zodiac tour, Zodiac landing, and set for adventure. Spacious, well-appointed bathroom, complete with separate shower, rain shower head, and handheld shower. A large vanity with beautiful bath products enjoyed from Molten Brown. Of course, this bathroom and every bathroom on board the Seabourn Venture has its own bathtub as well. And we hope you reach out today by contacting us at travel@princeadventures.com.